Once you have customized the Task Manager module in the Settings section, it's time to start adding data. One of the key features of AppsCo's Task Manager module is that it gives you the option to create individual and deviance tasks and assign them to employees or automatically generate fixed tasks based on contracts. First, let's look at what the Task Manager module can offer you. If you sell your products or services to customers, you can create contracts from which tasks will be generated in intervals you select. These types of tasks are called fixed tasks and they can be generated automatically. On the other hand, regular tasks can be created directly in the dashboard and assigned to employees. If you're looking to create tasks based on contracts and apply automatic task generation, start by adding your customers first. Fill in the mandatory data required to finish the customer onboarding setup. Once you've created the customer profile, you can add contact persons. Here it's important to define whether the contact is going to be the recipient of the weekly and bi-weekly customer report or if they are going to be the deviance offer approval recipient. The next step is to add customer contracts where tasks will be added. When you are adding a new contract, the first step is to select the customer. Give the contract a title and select the period in which tasks in the contract will be generated. You can also add subtasks on the contract called checklists. Select a checklist and checklist items that are going to be added to the contract. Add tags and documents if needed and save the contract by clicking Confirm. If you click on the contract in the contract list, you'll be able to edit it further and add more details. The next step is to add contract items or products. You can add one or multiple products at the same time. If you then click on Invoice Activity Settings, you'll be able to select the date for the start of the order line generation and the interval. If you turn the toggle on for Automatically Generate Activities, order lines will be created automatically from the date you set as the automatic generation start day. In the Documents section, you can store important contract documents and upload pictures, PDF, Word or Excel files. The Checklists section allows you to add additional templates to the contract. Add products to the checklist and click Save to save the items you've added. By default, all task templates you've added to your instance in Task Manager settings will appear on each new contract, but you can delete or deactivate the ones you're not going to use on the contract you've just created. To activate a template, click on Edit and turn the toggle on. To generate tasks immediately, click on Save and Generate. If you've already done this, there will be a warning if you try to generate the same tasks again, which means that you'll have the option to add the tasks again or replace the ones you've generated. When you go to the Generated Tasks tab, all generated tasks from templates will appear as a list. Open a generated task in a new tab to see more details. In case you want to generate an order manually, go to the Generated Orders section of the contract and click on Generate Order Manually. Order lines from active task templates will appear on the list. The contract profile also allows you to add a signature and see details about changes made to the contract in the activity log. Besides contracts, you can also use AppsCo's Task Manager to create contract offers. Contract offers are offers sent to potential customers who can view the content of offers and approve them. There are two ways to create contracts. The first is to create an offer from a contract. To do this, go to the contract list and click on the three-dot menu on a contract. Click Create Offer to create an offer. The second way to create a contract offer is to navigate to the Task Manager module in the left menu and click on Contract Offers. Click on Add Contract Offer. Select a customer and give the offer a title. Pick a date from when the contract offer is going to be valid and make the necessary changes to the contract offer. Clicking on Save will add the offer to the list of contract offers. Click on the offer to open it. The next step is to add one or several offer items or products. Click on each product to add the necessary information in order to calculate the offer price and profitability. The green check mark indicates that the offer is profitable and is calculated based on the margin. You can also upload documents to the contract offer, while the checklist tab allows you to add templates from which tasks will be generated. When you navigate to the Tasks under menu, you'll have an overview of all tasks. This dashboard sorts tasks based on their status. You can view regular and deviance tasks in process and list views, and fixed tasks generated from fixed contracts in a separate view. Clicking on a task in the dashboard will display more details about the task. Use the filters for easier navigation and to find individual tasks in the dashboard. Turn the toggles on and off to find tasks with past deadlines, tasks where the execution date has been missed, and tasks with incomplete checklists. The Tasks dashboard is a place where you can also add new tasks and immediately assign them to employees. As soon as you create a task, it'll be added to the dashboard. You also have the option to change the status of tasks by dragging and dropping them. By doing this, tasks will automatically be updated. The invoicing page is used to keep track of all created tasks. This is the place where you can create orders and invoices. When the invoicing tab is opened, it will display tasks that have been finished but haven't been invoiced. To invoice a task, select it and click on the Create New Order button. Select the order and due date and click on Create Order. The tasks you have created an order for will disappear from the list and will be added to the Orders tab. Created orders must first be approved before they are invoiced. You can approve an order by selecting it and clicking on the thumbs up sign. Once you've approved an order, it'll be moved to the Invoice tab, where you'll have an overview of all invoiced orders. The Task Manager module also allows you to add replacements. If an employee is absent and someone has to take on their tasks, a person to replace the absent employee can be added together with the from and to date to cover the absent employee's tasks. When a replacement has been added, the person added as a replacement will be added as involved on all tasks originally assigned to the absentee. The Statistics page displays the total invoiced amount for each month of the selected year. Select the year for which you want to view data and the type of activity, invoiced, invoiceable, or for invoicing. If you want to export the data from the Statistics page, click on the Export to Excel button. We hope you found this introduction to the Task Manager module useful. If you have any questions, feel free to write to us at support@appsco.com.